Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account to Shopify. This is an essential step for receiving your store's earnings directly into your account. So, let's walk through the process together. First, open your web browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account associated with the store where you want to set up the bank account. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage. Look over to the left side panel where you'll see various navigation options. From there, click on Settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your store, including payment settings. Once you're in the settings area, direct your attention to the left side of the screen again. You'll see a list of different settings categories. Click on Payments. This section controls how you receive money from your customers and where those funds are sent. Now, on the Payments page, you'll see an option called Shopify Payments. This is Shopify's integrated payment processor that handles transactions for your store. Next to it, click Manage. This will take you to the detailed settings where you can configure how and where your money is deposited. In the Shopify Payments Management area, look for the section labeled Payout Bank Account. This is where you'll specify which bank account should receive your store's earnings. Click Add Bank Account to begin entering your banking information. A form will appear where you can input your bank account details. You'll typically need to provide information like your bank's name, your account number, and routing number. Take your time here to ensure all the information is accurate, as any mistakes could delay your payouts. Once you've filled in all the required fields, click Save. And that's it. Your bank account is now connected to your Shopify store and you'll start receiving your earnings directly into this account according to your payout schedule. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.